the program to get the local timing. Now check here. The import time module for working with time, you have to include import time, local time, time.ascii time. So time.time method. So time is a package or module. In module, the method is present time method. When I run the application, it's showing you the current timing. Okay, so let it open. Take the timing to process. टिके टाइम नौजे प्रोसेस होता है. The next program is to getting a calendar for a month. For getting a calendar for a month, we have to import a package, import calendar, then cal is a variable, calendar.month. So which year you want to pass, then here it is a month. को year आमे calendar देखिबार अछि और को month रा देखिबार अछि एटा पास करा जिवो. So I print the program again. Okay, so now I run the program. See that it is showing you Saturday, March 27, timing 21 means 9, 12 minute 34 second. Now here I want to print the calendar of suppose 2021, month is 3, so March 3. Oh, it shows an error. You see there, it's showing you the total month of March month calendar. Okay, so it is a program to print the total March month calendar. Next program
सर सबुतरे इंपोर्ट पैकेज लेखा हबो.
हाँ कारण टाइमिंग मॉड्यूल टा आसीबनी जोडी कैलेंडर दरकार से कैलेंडर लिखा हबो जोटी हमारा टाइम दरकार सेठी टाइम मॉड्यूल हमको इंपोर्ट करिया पड़िबो।
यस सर।
तापर एटा होची ALT टाइम जोन। So actually ALT zone is the attribute of the time module. This return offset of local DST time. See that? Okay, so it is called as the local DST time zone in the second west of UTC time zone. DST time zone is east of UTC is called as the Western Europe including UK. Okay, so that is the DST time zone we can pass. Okay, तो एटा को कुहा जो ए जो टाइम जोन टा जोटा अछि एटा एक्चुअली हमर डीएसटी टाइम जोन बा हमर को टाइम जोन नो नंबर एठी हमर शो कला आमे जो टाइम जोन ने अछु एटा होची 2340 400 टाइम जोन। ओके, सो लेखो व्हाट इज ALT जोन। ALT zone method is attribute of time module. It is a attribute of time module. A return offset of the local DST time zone.
Sir, returns local.
It returns the offset of local DST, capital DST, capital D, capital S, capital T. Local DST time zone in seconds west of UTC. The DST full form is what? DST full form is daylight saving time.
Data times.
हाँ
कितना से आपने कौन सा?
हाँ, it is a daylight saving time. That is just like the resetting of clock ahead by an hour in a spring and behind an hour by autumn or fall. The clock in the USA will fall back an hour on Sunday, signaling the daylight saving time. In USA, what happened? Always in a week, the hour is back to the 1 hour. 1 hour is ahead or 1 hour is back. Okay, so it is happened. Okay, so normally that problem I face practically. Okay, so when I take the classes in USA, okay, as online, So they setting a timing, they regularly setting timing. Suppose they are giving that I will connect at the 9 o'clock. Okay, so after one month, they will change to it is a 8 o'clock. As because what happened, their timing is later of 1 hour. ତାଙ୍କ 1 hour ଟା decrease ହୁଏ, ପୁଣି କିଛି ସମୟ ପରେ 1 hour ଟା increase ହେଇଯିବ. ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ month ଭିତରେ ବି ସେଟା changes ହେଇଯାଏ. And when the season also change, it is also the time zone also changed. Okay, so that is called the daylight saving time. It is basically happen in the USA time zone. Okay, so there is two time zone is working. Okay, so that they face such kind of problem. But here we have only one time zone, that is Kolkata Chennai time zone that we are using. Our time zone टा में एवढ देख परिबा जेमति कि a change time zone. So we have Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi. It is a one UTC time zone. So here different time zones are present. Okay. So these are the different time zone. If you see, Fiji, Hobart, okay, Brisbane, okay, Taipei, Beijing. Okay, so here different time zone. You can Kabul, Abu Dhabi, Kuwait, okay, Islamabad. Okay, so these are the different time zone we have. See that here it is minus. Our time zone is minus. Means it is minus to the Greenwich Mean Time, GMT time. We are plus 5 hour 30 minute. We are plus to the Greenwich Mean Time. Okay. So we are in the time zone number is 23400. Then here we are using a clock method. So how it is working, I will show you. Okay, so it is also working in the what? Just a minute. Okay, see that. So it will, for processing this program, import time def procedure time dot sleep. We're defining here sleep time 2.5 T0 time dot clock. The measure the processing time means for processing or it is used when you are executing the program. माने ए प्रोग्राम टा को execute करिवा पई से केते टाइमिंग नला तो एठी हमें डिफाइन करले तो T0 टाइम डॉट क्लॉक तो प्रोसीजर एठी कॉल करा हला ए प्रोसीजर टा कॉल करा हला तो टाइम डॉट क्लॉक तो प्रिंट टाइम डॉट क्लॉक हेले हमर जो टाइम टा प्रोसेसिंग पई जति की टाइम नेला एठी शो गला तापर हमें प्रोसीजर को जतबे अगेन कॉल करी कि हमें ए जो 2.5 जो टाइम टा को हमें सेट कले एज ए वाल टाइम एटा ला प्रोसेसिंग टाइम प्रोसेसिंग हेला परे हमें एटा गोटे निजर टाइमिंग हमें एठी पास कले 2.5 सेकेंड इज द वाल टाइम for processing the program it is take 5.60 and for setting the wall time we're using 2.50 बुझियला बुझि पाइला प्रोग्राम टा हेलो जयश्री अंकिता बुझियला
Yes, sir.
So right, what is the work of clock method? The clock method returns the current processor timing. The clock method returns the current processor timing as a floating point number expressed in seconds. The next program is the C time. What is the work of C time? Check here. The C time, it's showing you the current time, that is the Python C time converted time expressed in seconds since the epoch timing. So since the epoch timing, it's showing you the current time also. So if I write here see there Saturday March 30 21:30 06 201, so it is also showing you the current time. So right, what is C time? gives an heading. C time. This function takes second. This function takes second past since epoch, epoch, epoch as an argument, and return returns a string representing local time. So here I pass a second local underscore time see there, we're passing a number. Okay, sorry, I pass a second a c. Now check. Okay, this one is Saturday, October 5, 17 hour 51 minute 16 second 2047. So it is a second we are passing. Okay, Bujela?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we are passing a second, so it is converted into the date format here. So GM time converted time expressed in second to the epoch time in UTC. The GM time, epoch means it is a constant time which is taken as a in Python 1970, which is called as the base time. Epoch time टाको base time बोली कहा जाए first.
Yes, sir.
The GM time function takes the number of second passed since the epoch time as an argument and return the UTC time. So right, what is GM time? GM time function takes the number of second passed since epoch as an argument and written in UTC. So I show a program here. So I pass some second. Now see that here काली जो लिखी थी मैं 8 पैरामीटर लिखी थी tm underscore year, tm underscore month, tm underscore day, hour. तो ये year आमे जदि केवल year टा देखिया चाहिए ये जो सेकेंड टा पास करा जायछि आर year टा होछि 2019 आवर आवर होछि 9 एटा होछि 9 आवर एटी रिटर्न कला ए टोटल सेकेंड रो then mk time method, it is a inverse function of local time. It is an argument that we are using. It contain a 9 tuple, means 0 to 8 tuple it will take. Then what is the timing that I will display here? So these are the 9 parameter I have given. Now it is converted this 9 parameter to a particular timing. Okay, this is Tuesday, February 17. So Gibson heading MK time method. This method takes struct underscore time or a tuple containing 9 element corresponding to struct underscore time as an argument and return the seconds pass since epoch in local time. Then Python sleep method. Sleep method functions suspend the timing for particular time period. So now I pass the program. You see that? After 5 seconds, it is showing you another timing. I run it again. It is showing you time. See that? So 5 seconds is added, then now it is 6. Okay? Okay. So in next class, I will go for STRF time. So next class, we'll meet and I will show you this STRF timing. Okay, strip time. So good night.
Thank you, sir.